The Brain Booster is the accurate program created to superpower your brain. It was created by Christian Goodman to restore the flow of oxygen and nutrients to the brain. It is an effective program that can address the illness in brain caused due to normal lifestyle. It has the list of instructions that are easy to make for better brain functioning. The program tackles the causes of the problem at its root cause. The program combines the science and proven methods to transform the person's brain health. It is tested and 100% guaranteed by the creator for its efficiency. How the Brain Booster program works. The only way to truly see the adjustments that this program can make is to purchase the guide. The guide explains how the blood transports oxygen and nutrients throughout the body and how the bones, muscles, and other areas of the body can inhibit it. With the blood vessels pressed up against the tissue and bone, the users are shown what they need to do to make circulation easier. 3 steps to better brain health. Exercises for improved breathing for the brain that can be done sitting down or lying down. Repairing muscles that suffocate the brain by replenishing oxygen to areas of the brain that are depleted. Improve the flow of oxygen directly to the brain to fix issues such as confusion, dizziness, lightheadedness. As users increase their oxygen levels, promote better circulation, and correct the muscle issues, their brain works significantly better and sees improvements such as better mental focus. Users will also learn the exercises that they can integrate into any position, whether seated or standing or laying down. Purchasing Brain Booster. For $49, users will get instant access to the program. There's no monthly subscription required, and users won't have to renew their access every year. The program is available as a PDF file, and users can also choose to pay for printing to get a physical copy of the program. Benefits of using the Brain Booster program. The program helps you to prevent the memory loss, confusion, and inability to focus. It is simple, easy to do and effective. It has transformed thousands of people's mental capabilities successfully. The program has simple exercises that can be done more conveniently either by walking, standing or lying down. It might help you to recover your thinking abilities and not lose them again. It doesn't involve any equipment, drugs, or treatments for gaining the results. There is no hidden charges or renewal fee and the program is affordable. You can remember all your sweet memories that make you feel blissful. It is an e-book or digital version with the lifetime access with unlimited downloads and free updates. The program gives you mental alertness, sharp thinking and entire mind control. There is 100% money-back guarantee that backs the investment made in the program. Drawbacks in the Brain Booster program. The program is found only in the official website for purchase through online only. It is available in the PDF format that can be downloaded through the smart gadgets and computer. It is made for those along 20 years suffering with poor brain sharpness. Purchase policy, 100% refund guarantee. The creator of the program, Christian Goodman, avails you the product in an affordable cost, where you can spend just $49 as special offer. This is the one-time charge, and no repeated cost involved. You can get well, recover your thinking abilities and mental sharpness. If you don't feel sharp brain, even after using the program for 60 days, you may get all your money back. The program is backed by the no questions asked 60-day money-back guarantee.